Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the best way to solve a Rubik's Cube. So I have already solved it and by this app. This app is called the Cube Solver. So you open it. Actually, I've changed the logo. See, the first logo was this one logo, but I have done this one. So you can also change the logo, and now you go to solve the cube, and you can actually solve cubes. Cube 2 multiplied by 2, cube multiplied cube multiplied by 3. So I have that one cube. So you fill up the colors to your exact cube, and then you click on solve, and then it gives you instructions to solve. So let's move in. And if you have a pyramid cube, see, solve the pyramid cube. So you click on that, and you just download it, I guess. And if you have this number cube that nobody is mostly able to solve, but this app can solve, so you can do it with that. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe. Or don't, or just leave a comment. I never get comments, so please do leave a comment.